Hey everyone, Namaste. Today I'm going to do a very important flow which is called hip mobility flow. So let's get started. Please come on your mat. Please extend your legs forward. Keep your spine straight, hands by the side of your body. Inhale, reach your hands all the way up. As you exhale, bend your right knee, take it close to the chest and keep your spine straight. Relax your shoulders. From there, with your left hand, grab your right sole and place it above your thigh as much as possible. With your right hand, push your right knee all the way down. But keep your left toe active and left toe pointing towards your body. If you're comfortable, you can take your hands behind and try to get a little more pressure on your right knee. Gentle pressure. Stay here for 3 breaths. 2, 1. Come back to center. Slowly release your right leg. Inhale, reach your hands all the way up. Exhale, bend your left knee. Take your knees close to the chest. Lift your foot off the ground. Now place your left heel just above your right thigh. Place your left hand on your left knee. Right hand goes back. Gently push your left knee as much as possible down. Keep your right toe pointing towards your body and breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Release your legs. Extend your legs forward. Once again, reach your hands all the way up. Inhale. As you exhale, bend your right knee. This time, grab your left soles of the foot. So here, you need to inhale, lift your right knee as much as you're comfortable. If you're comfortable to lift and extend your knees, that's well and good. As you exhale, you need to bend your right knee and take your knees by the side of your armpit without compromising on your spine. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend your knees. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Last one. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Now, as you inhale, take your right foot under your left elbow. You can just stay here and try to bring your heel close to the chest. Make sure your heel and your knee in line. And keep your spine straight and breathe. If you're not able to keep your foot under your elbows, you can hold your foot with your hand and you can try to bring your heels close to the chest. Slowly come back to center. Reach your hands all the way up. Inhale. Exhale, bend your left and grab your left sole. Now, inhale, extend your left knee. As you exhale, bend your knees and take your knee by the side of your armpit. Pushing your knees by the side. Make sure your spine is straight and right leg active. That means right toe pointing towards your body. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex your knees. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex your knees. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. Inhale, extend. Exhale, flex. Stay there. If you're comfortable, place your inner sides of the soles under inside your elbow, right elbow, and just take your hands outside your shin bone and try to bring your shin close to the chest without shrugging your shoulders. Shoulders away from the ears, but lift your heels in line with your knees. That's important. Stay here for 3 breaths. And slowly release your legs. Now come back to butterfly. Interlock your fingers. Grab your toes. Try to bring your soles as much as possible together. And try to bring your soles close to the perineum. Not exactly close. You should have minimum 1 fist distance between your perineum and the heels. Minimum. Maximum you can keep until your flexibility. Yeah? And gently swing your knees down as much as possible, keeping your spine straight. Now slowly take your both hands all the way back. With the support of your hands, push your buttocks a little more closer now. And keep your knees pushing down. Walk your hands a little more forward. Lift your buttocks up. Push your buttocks down. as much as possible. Keep your knees away from the body and breathe. Stay here for 3 breaths. Observe your inner thighs. 2 and 1. Come back to center. Bring your knees together. Slightly open your feet apart. Hands again back side of your body. Keep your palms firmly on the floor. As you exhale, drop your knees to the right. Try to keep your spine straight. Expand your chest and lift your chin up. Exhale, inhale and come back to center. Exhale, drop your knees towards the left side. Expand your chest and lift your chin up. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Now we're going to do variation. Exhale down and lift your buttocks off the ground. And down. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your knees towards the left and lift your buttocks how much possible from your side. Exhale, down. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Lift your buttocks up. Exhale, down. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Lift your buttocks up. Exhale, down. Inhale, center. Come back to once again, butterfly. Relax your inner thighs for a while, how much possible from your side. Just to relax. Just try to feel that good feel when you do this kind of thing, yeah? This movement will make you feel good in the inner thighs. It will improve the blood circulation in the hip joint. Now, take your legs a little more closer, how much are possible, towards your midline of the body, towards the perineum. From there, slowly take your right knee all the way back. Now, take your both the hands behind your back. Keep your fingertips, okay? Make sure your spine is straight. Keep your fingertips firmly on the floor as much as possible. From there, as you inhale, you need to bring your right leg forward. And try to extend your right leg and try not to touch the floor. As you exhale, again bend your knees and bring it back. Sink your hip down. Let's go for 3 more rounds. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Last one. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Come back to center. Make sure your right knee, right heel in line and your left heel in line with your perineum. And bring your hands all the way to the center. Normally what happens, our body leans to the left. You can take the support of your left hand and try to bring your body, bring your sternum exactly in line with your left toe. And keep going all the way down and rock your right hand forward. Observe the stretch in the hip flexor and breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly walk your hands all the way back. Take your right leg all the way forward. Come back to butterfly. Interlock your fingers. Relax your inner thighs for a while again. Now let's go on the other side. Take your left leg all the way back. Keep your left heel, left knee in line. Take your both hands all the way back. Fingers pointing outside. Now, as you inhale, bring your left knee as much as possible forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. 2 more. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Last one. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back and stay there. Sink your hip down. Bring your hands in front, all the way down in front of your right toe. Make sure your right heel is still in line with the perineum. If your body is leaning to the right, take the support of your right hand and bring your body to the center and walk your left hand forward. And drop your head down and breathe.
comfortably. Walk your hands, both hands all the way forward and drop your head down and breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly walk your hands all the way back.
And gently bring your left leg forward. Once again, come back to butterfly. Relax your inner thighs for a while. Slowly bring your knees together. Give a nice and tight hug. And relax.